This is my milestone mural. Every 100,000 subscribers my channel gets, I repaint this wall in my house to celebrate the occasion. I painted one for 500,000, then I repainted it when I hit 600,000. I repainted it again when I hit 700,000. And now here we are at 800,000 subscribers, and it's time to repaint my milestone mural again. Back at my main YouTube studio, I needed to take a moment and gather up some supplies for this milestone mural. I needed my big bucket of white paint. You're gonna come in handy, buddy. I had to grab a bunch of drop cloths. Go ahead and pile you right there, drop cloths. I needed some gloves. Oh, you know what? These cups will come in handy too. And some cups. Awesome. And then I needed some sponges, some paint trays and mixer sticks, some rollers, brushes, some extension poles, and some of these small rollers too. Now I think I'm ready. I'm a little bit sad to see this mural go. I really like this one. The past couple milestone murals have been family portraits, and funnily enough on this one, I painted it before my daughter Luna was even born, and I just had to take a wild guess at what she might look like, and I pretty much freaking nailed it. Can we put up a video of what Luna looks like right here? I took a wild guess that she would have blonde hair. I took a wild guess that she would have bluish greenish eyes, and I actually nailed it. My predictive powers are amazing with these milestone murals. This one's a cool family adventure at sea. Not sure what I'm gonna do for the next one, but we gotta get the basement ready before I start painting. There's like literal weights on this. Should we just take some weights off?
Nah, dude, just get a little workout in. I'll manhandle this table right now, Peter.
14 pounds removed.
Lift with your legs, not your back.
How many snacks are gonna be in here? Puzzle pieces. I think you can just yank it.
Watch out for the chase. A lot of junk back here under your couch, dude.
For having two toddlers, it's not bad.
Watch your knuckles. Knuckle sandwich, buddy.
Now that the basement is prepped, first we got our white paint. Boom! Overkill on that bucket. Damn! Up next comes the part that just always drives me a little bit crazy as an artist. You need a tray? A tray! It's time for me to paint over the old mural. Big old bucket of fun. Haven't opened this guy in a while. Wonder what the status on this paint is looking like. Oh. Looks fresh as a daisy. I was expecting it to be that like oily, separated, nasty consistency of old paint. So let's see, 500K, few layers of paint, then white, then 600K, then white, then 700K. Now we're gonna do white and 800K. So it's gonna be up to 7 layers of paint after this mural's done. No time like the present. Let's paint over my hours of work. The first stroke. Let's make it a good one. Oh yeah. The nature of the milestone mural is to paint a new mural on this same wall every 100,000 subscribers my channel gains. But it's just always so crazy to paint over like 80 hours of work. But you know, life is always changing. Things are always moving forward and everything is temporary. So maybe it's a little therapeutic to just get rid of something that you worked hard on so that you can make something new. And you just roll it down. Good job. We're gonna paint an even cooler mural.
I can do it myself.
You want to do it by yourself? Whoa, whoa, whoa! My daughter Juniper even wanted to get in on the action, and this is her first time ever using a roller.
Can I paint the new one?
You want to help me paint the new one?
Yeah.
Sure. Sure thing. Okay, it's time for me to make my concept sketch. So I'm gonna grab a photo of this wall like that, and I'll just bring this photo right into my drawing app and sketch right on that. I busted out my iPad and I imported that photo that I took of my wall into my drawing app called Procreate. You know, my first mural was a family portrait of us just chilling. The next one, we were on a family adventure in the forest. The third one, we were like pirate adventurers heading towards a desert island. And for this one, my wife Chelsea actually suggested maybe like a space scene. So I thought it would be cool to draw my full family as astronauts kind of floating through space. projector. Now that my sketch is done, I'm gonna bust out my projector and just beam this concept sketch right onto the wall. Once everything was set, I busted out my trusty Posca paint marker and just started slowly tracing my lines onto the wall. There's all kinds of methods for getting your concept sketch onto the wall. You could freehand it, you could use a traditional grid, a doodle grid. And recently I've even experimented with using a VR headset to project my concept art onto the wall. My mission right now is just to get this sketch blown up onto the wall as quickly as possible so I can start painting. Okay, we're back at the studio. Time to gather some supplies. I'm definitely gonna need a lot of these golden fluid acrylics, working with that. Some of my broad brushes, wrap them up in this paper towel. In the box you go. And another thing that I definitely want to remember are these little cups. I bought these at a food supply store, like one of those big grocery stores that restaurants shop at. And they kind of look like this, so you can save your color. Some of my satin glazing liquid, so I can do little glazes. Like if I want to make the nose a little pinkish, I can just glaze on some pink, or if I want to glaze in some cool shadows, that's good. I got a whole video on glazing if you ever want to learn about that. But with my supplies in hand, it's time to head back to my house and start painting. I got my background paint right here. I think we're gonna slap the background midnight blue on first and go from there. For the background paint, I ended up just using a leftover bucket of paint I had from painting the rest of my basement. It's the same color as the rest of the navy blue on my walls, which means this mural is probably gonna match my basement better than any of the previous Milestone murals. What I didn't know at the time though, is that the paint I was using was gonna come back to bite me and make painting certain parts of this mural a lot more tricky. Okay, the background is done. Now it's the fun part. I get to move on to painting the characters. I'm probably gonna start with myself, because I'm kind of like furthest in the back here, and this planet is also furthest in the back. Then we'll move on to Juniper, then Chelsea, then Luna. I mean, I could do Georgie at any time. He's just over here chilling. But it's time to bust out my paints and start working on these characters. You know, at the start of this project, I actually considered moving the Milestone mural to maybe a wall at my studio. It certainly would be easier to not have to lug all my art supplies back to my house. But painting this wall in my basement reminds me of where I was just a few years ago. This basement is where I used to film all my YouTube videos, and because of the support that you guys have shown me, I've been able to move into a giant warehouse to make bigger art projects and just have more fun expressing my creativity. The background paint that I use, it's kind of like a higher end satin paint, and some of the higher end paints have built-in like stain blockers. That's actually bad for murals. I'm getting a lot of beading when I paint on the navy blue part. It's like it's trying to fight my acrylic paint that I lay on top of it. So if you're painting a mural at home, I would recommend going for something a little bit more affordable that's just like a flat or a matte paint. But I'll work my way through it. Now, it's time to take a little break from all that painting for another milestone mural, if you will. This wall right here was completely blank when I bought this warehouse, and I said it would be so cool if we made this into a sticker wall with stickers provided by our fans. Well, we recently just did a massive fan mail opening, and look at this right here. These are the stickers that we got. There's gotta be like 1,000 stickers in here. If you wanna see us opening all that fan mail and going through like each sticker, that's a Patreon exclusive video. You can check that out on my Patreon. But we need to continue covering this wall with you guys' awesome stickers, because to me, that's the real milestone mural. Each and every one of you who watches my videos. So let's get slapping. You know, when I told my team I wanted to have a section of this video where we put up fan stickers, I don't think anyone could have expected that it would take us 2 full business days of just slapping stickers on this wall. This process was crazy. But hot diggity damn, you guys got some cool stickers. Okay, the wall is looking way better. It's way more full. One thing that we have learned about stickers is that we love a split back. We love a kiss cut edge that's easy to peel. Man, spending like 90 seconds to get a sticker off of the sticker back, that was the major slowdown. But look at this wall. It's looking so cool. It's so full of you guys' awesome artwork, your awesome stickers. Thank you so much for sending those in. Wow, I'm impressed. That looks so freaking awesome. That took way longer than I thought. I guess it's time to get back to the Milestone mural. Good morning. All right. So I got, 3 characters done here. I have Chelsea and Luna to go. We're hitting the home stretch on this Milestone mural. I'm thinking Chelsea's spacesuit is going to be yellow. Luna's spacesuit is going to be blue. Very much inspired by a certain sci-fi movie from one of my favorite directors. I'll let you guys down in the comments guess who that director is and what that movie is. You guys can take a crack at that while I take a crack at finishing this mural. 800,000 subscribers. Thank you all so much. 800,000 people, that is insane. Like an unimaginable number to even think of. So thank you guys so much. All right, let's finish this mural. You know, painting a mural takes a long time. And since you're sitting there painting for a long time, the mind has a tendency to wander. And where my mind was wandering was to the things that we've done between 700,000 subscribers and 800,000 subscribers. We had the Artists in Wonderland mural battle with 10 artists. My daughter Luna was born and I painted her baby nursery. There was the custom ping pong table and I continued my single color painting series. I started doing all these art battles with other artists. There was the thrift shop battle, the movie poster battle, the album cover battle, and even more on top of that. I painted this freaking basketball court in my YouTube studio. I love this project. And of course, my current huge project, designing my own trading card game. All these crazy harebrained schemes and wild ideas I come up with, I get to share with a wonderful audience made up of you guys. You support my vision and my grand dreams and allow me to flourish with my creativity. And for that, I am so truly thankful. And I'm just looking forward to what we're gonna do between 800 and 900K. And of course, maybe, just maybe, after 16 years on YouTube, I'll eventually hit 1 million subscribers. Oh man, what are we gonna paint for the Milestone mural on that one? So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. What a milestone. Alrighty, the mural is done. And now, what I think I want to do is, there's some differences in sheen here. Like this part's kind of glossy, this part's kind of matte. When you look at it from certain angles, it's like shiny or not shiny. So I think I want to even out the finish of the whole mural and coat the whole thing with matte medium. Now this is something I've actually never done before. I don't know how much matte medium this is going to take. I hope that it doesn't just beat up on this blue background. Yeah. I'm gonna try and matte medium this whole mural. Wish me luck. Cause this blue paint has been like oil on water, kind of rejecting my acrylics the whole time. So I really hope it doesn't reject the matte medium. Nothing to it but to do it. Could ruin the whole mural in the last step. Let's find out. There we go. Now a little bit of water. Mix this up. Okay. That's definitely wanting to beat up there. Okay, now I'm gonna take this little roller and see if I can roll on some of the rest of it. My gosh, I mixed up like just enough. Wow, barely made it. Boom, baby. Oh, right on the seam. Okay, that is the Milestone mural. I think I'm done. The basement is put back together and the new 800,000 subscriber Milestone mural is done. and I'm just about to show you guys the final sexy shots. But first, I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you for making this possible. 800,000 is so crazy, and I'm just so thankful to be able to share my art online through YouTube, through videos, and have people appreciate it and build a community and do cool stuff. And that's all thanks to you guys. So thank you so much. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. We're gonna paint the 900,000 subscriber mural. So tell your grandma, tell your cousin Betty, tell Jimbo down at the subway station. Tell Jimbo down at the subway station to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm 1000. Thanks for watching. And now, the final sexy shots.